Good morning, children. Today we are going to solve problems on exercise 21B. Look at the board. First question. Prove that cos A divided by 1 minus tan A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot A is equal to cos A plus sin A. First we take the LHS. LHS is equal to cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot A equals cos A divided by 1 minus tan A is sin A divided by cos A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot A is cos A divided by sin A equals cos A divided by, take the LCM cos A upon cos A minus sin A plus, in the second case, sin A divided by, take the LCM sin A upon sin A minus cos A equals cos A divided by cos A minus sin A by cos A means cos A into cos A by cos A minus sin A plus sin A divided by sin A minus cos A by sin A is equal to sin A into sin A taking reciprocal. Division means multiplication by taking reciprocal equals sin A minus cos A. Here, in the denominator, one is cos A minus sin A and other is sin A minus cos A. We have to convert this sin A minus cos A into cos A minus sin A. We take a minus sign outside. This is now take negative sign outside from here. This is now minus of cos A minus sin A. Multiply this minus cos A plus sin A. So, first one cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A. Take minus sign that we write here into sin square A divided by this sin A minus cos A is take negative sign outside. We get cos A minus sin A. Now we have common denominator cos A minus sin A. Cos A minus sin A upon this is cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A is in the form A square minus B square. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. So it is cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A divided by cos A minus sin A. Cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A cancelled and answer cos A plus sin A equals cos A plus sin A is our RHS. Question number 2. Prove that 1 plus tan square A into plus 1 plus 1 by tan square A is equal to 1 by sin square A minus sin raised to 4A. We take the LHS. LHS is equal to 1 plus tan square A plus 1 plus 1 by tan square A equals 1 plus tan square A is sec square A plus 1 plus 1 by tan square A is cot square A. So it is equal to sec square A plus what is 1 plus cot square A? 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A equals sec square A, reciprocal relation, 1 by cos square A plus cosec square A 1 by sin square A equals, take the LCM here, cos square A sin square A LCM, cos square A sin square A LCM upon cos square A sin square A by cos square A cancelled, sin square A into 1 sin square A plus here cos square A sin square A division, sin square A means sin square A cancelled, remaining cos square A into 1 cos square A. What is sin square A plus cos square A? Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 by cos square A into sin square A. What is our answer? Right side sin square A, then sin raised to 4A. For that, change this cos square A is 1 minus sin square A into sin square A equals 1 by 1 into sin square A. Sin square A minus sin square A into sin square A is sin raised to 4A equals RHS. Third question. Cos cube A plus sin cube A divided by cos A plus sin A plus cos cube A minus sin cube A divided by cos A minus sin A is equal to 2. We have to prove that LHS is equal to 2. For that, we know that A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square, and A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Here cos cube A LHS. LHS is first cos cube A plus sin cube A cube plus B cube, A plus B, cos A plus sin A into cos square A, first one cos square A minus cos A sin A plus sin square A divided by cos A plus sin A plus second bracket is, second term is cos cube A minus sin cube A cube minus B cube, cos A minus sin A into cos square A plus cos A sin A into sin square A divided by cos A minus sin A. Now equals, here cos A plus sin, these two cancelled, and answer cos square A minus cos A sin A plus sin square A divided by 1 plus, here cos A minus sin A cancelled, again cos square A plus cos A sin A plus sin square A divided by 1 equals, what is cos square A plus sin square A? Cos square A plus sin square A is 1 minus cos A sin A plus here common denominator 1. So we write numerator itself. Then again cos square A plus sin square A is 1 plus cos A sin A equals minus cos A sin A plus cos A sin A cancelled, 1 plus 1 2 equals RHS. 2 is the RHS. Fourth question. Question number 4. Tan A divided by 1 minus cot A plus cot A divided by 1 minus tan A is equal to sec A cosec A sec A cosec A minus 1. We take the LHS and change all tan A to sin A by cos A and cot A to cos A by sin A. Tan A sin A by cos A divided by 1 minus cot A is cos A by sin A plus cot A is cos A by sin A divided by 1 minus tan A is sin A by cos A equals, take LCM, sin A by cos A whole divided by sin A upon sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A plus cos A by sin A whole divided by cos A LCM, cos A upon cos A minus sin A equals sin A by cos A into division means multiplication by taking reciprocal, sin A by cos A division sin A minus cos A by sin A is equal to sin A by cos A into sin A divided by sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A plus cos A by sin A into cos A by sin A into cos A by cos A minus into cos A by cos A minus sin A is equal to cos A minus sin A is equal to, first one, sin square A by cos A into sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A plus cos square A divided by sin A into, here we have to equalize the denominator, here also sin A minus cos A, we take minus sign outside like the previous question, take minus sign outside, we can write this into sin A minus cos A, minus of sin A minus cos A. Now we have cos A, sin A and sin A minus cos A LCM. Take LCM, cos A into sin A minus cos A upon, we divide cos A sin A minus cos A division cos A into sin A minus cos A. These two cos A and sin A minus cos A cancelled, remaining sin A. That sin A into sin square A is sin cube A minus, here also sin A and sin A minus cos A gets cancelled and remaining cos A. Cos A into cos square A is minus cos cube A equals, what is sin cube minus cos cube A cube minus B is A minus B into sin A minus cos A into sin square A plus sin A cos A minus, plus cos square A whole divided by cos A, sin A minus cos A. These two cancelled and sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 plus sin A cos A divided by cos A sin A equals 1 divided by cos A sin A, 1 divided by cos A sin A plus sin A cos A divided by cos A sin A equals what is 1 equals 1 by cos A into 1 by sin A into sin A plus sin A cos A cos A 1 equals 1 by cos A is sec A into 1 by sin A is cosec A plus 1 equals RHS. Question number 5. Prove that 1 plus tan square A plus prove that tan A plus 1 by cos A the whole square plus tan A minus 1 by cos A the whole square is equal to 2 into 1 plus sin square A by 1 minus sin square A. Here we take the LHS and change tan A to sin A by cos A. LHS is equal to tan A sin A by cos A plus 1 by cos A the whole square plus this second one tan A is sin A by cos A minus 1 by cos A the whole square equals cos A common LCM cos A upon sin A plus 1 the whole square plus cos A second also cos A common LCM upon sin A minus 1 the whole square equals we split the numerator and denominator by square each time sin A plus 1 whole square by cos square A equals sin A minus 1 whole square by cos square A. Now we have common numerator cos square A upon sin A plus 1 the whole square plus sin A minus 1 the whole square equals this is in the form A plus B whole square, A square sin square A plus 2 sin A plus 1 plus sin square A minus 2 sin A. This is in the form A minus B whole square plus 1 whole divided by cos square A equals plus 2 sin A and minus 2 sin A gets cancelled. These two cancelled. Sin square A plus sin square A is 2 sin square A plus 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by, now we can change, our answer is 1 minus sin square A. So change this cos square A is 1 minus sin square A. Also in the numerator take 2 outside, we get 2 sin square A plus 1 divided by 1 minus sin square a equals 2 into 1 plus sin square a divided by 1 minus sin square a. Here 2 common, that take outside, we get sin square a plus 1. That is 2 into sin square a plus 1 by cos square a is 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a. 2 outside, 1 plus sin square a by 1 minus sin square a equals RHS. Homework 21B 1 5 to 9. Thank you.